Hey, what's up YouTube? Today what I'm going to show you guys is how to make a beetroot smoothie. This is good for blood pressure, it's good for fiber, and it makes a little healthy snack for you. So all you're going to need is one lime. If you got a beetroot about this size, I say use a third of it, and a whole Granny Smith apple. Cut the apple up, don't use the seeds. As a matter of fact, we're going to keep those seeds and germinate them and grow an apple tree. But that's later. You know, trees take a while, but for now, let's get the smoothie going. Like I said, one lime. So this is how I cut my limes. Just be careful when peeling them. You can peel them however you like. Some people dice them up, but I like to get all the lime that I can get from it. All right, that is good enough. And we're going to put it in our magic bullet. Set that aside there. I'm gonna move this out the way here because I'm going to cut the beets last because it makes a lot of, oops, sorry about that there. It causes everything to be red, and we don't want all that mess yet. So we're gonna do that last. So what I'd like to do with my apple is I cut it in 4 halves, leaving the core, and then make it easier and smoother. I can leave these whole, but I like to chop them. Keep bumping the camera. Add those to the mix. And like I said, a third of that. And I already got one that I've been cutting on. So I already used a fourth of this one. This one was a pretty large one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off about that much there. You can rinse this off and use it if you want, but I go ahead and skin my beets. I skin them. And you see why I do this last. That beets, it stains up stuff. It'll come off over, but it tends to like to stain stuff. That's why I'm not using my wooden cutting board tool. This beets loves to stain up stuff. You can get that little bit right there. All right. Nice this up. I want a little bit more beets. I could put a little bit more in there. All right, guys. Now what you want to do is add a little water and put it on the blender. So Just add a little water here. That's enough right there. About halfway in between how your vegetables are and fruits. Just make the water halfway. I'm gonna seal it up. Let's take it to our blender. This is why I like the bullet. I prefer the bullet over the juicer because you get all your pulp in here. You still get the benefits of using the juicer, but you take out a lot of the fiber when you use the juicer. So I want to take it all without having to chew it, so I make a smoothie. Okay. Let's get them stored up. Set that in the sink there. Perfect for one serving. Get it topped up, and you can drink it now or you can chill it. Drink it later if you choose. My light just died out. My battery is going dead on my camera. I paused because I thought the camera stopped, but the light shut off because my battery is low. But anyhow, that concludes the end of this video anyway. Thanks for watching. Happy health.